So in this video, I'm going to give you a very amazing tip which would help you save a lot more time. So suppose you are adding some media or images on any of your sequence, just like I did. These are some buns pictures, and you can see they are scaled way too much, which is beyond my sequence, and my sequence is at this moment is 1920 by 1080, and the resolution of the images is 3472 by 4624. So the problem comes that here you have to either go to the effects control and then scale them down manually, all right, or you can right click on the image and scale to frame size, or you can set to frame size, all right. So that way you have to do this of each and every clip or every graphic or whatever media item you put. But is there any way whenever you put any image over here, so let me just delete this, and those would automatically scale according to your sequence size. It scales so that you don't have to go through the hassles of scaling it down or adjusting it to the scale or frame of your sequence. So yes, that's possible, absolutely. Alright, so first of all, let me show you the difference between scale to frame size and set to frame size. Set to frame size would adjust or scale down your image according to your sequence, alright. So you can see now this is a set to frame size, and if I change it to scale to frame size, okay, so the moment I do this, you can see scale to frame size is going to fill the entire frame with this one, all right. Is there any way whenever you put any image, those would automatically scale according to your sequence size? It scales so that you don't have to go through the hassles of scaling it down or adjusting it to the scale or frame of your sequence. So yes, that's possible, absolutely. And for that purpose you have to go to the edit and select preference and come to the media, and inside the media you will get this dialog box open, and here there is option which you need, which is a live saver, and that is default media scaling. At this moment it's none, but you can set it to scale to frame size, or you can set it to frame size. So no matter how you want it, you can just set it, press OK. And now let me show you. If I drag these images back right over here, you can see then these would be scaled and fill out or fill the frame. But now if I change it back to set to frame size from the media, and let's change it to set to frame size and press OK. And now if I drop these images right over here, you can see these are scaled down and fit in the sequence frame. Right, so that's the difference, and this is how you can easily save a lot more time, and without going through the hassles of going through each and every clip. You have just set it these preference and you are good to go. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.